Today we are going to make the table CLR1 parsing table. In the last lecture we have seen how we can create the augmented grammar, closer and goto function from the same. Now we will make the table. So we can see simply from I02 up to I9 we have states, so we will make accordingly, and we have terminal A and B. So accordingly we will make the table. So we will start from here, action and go to part. Action what we have A, B and dollar, and go to part what we have variable S and A, so we'll write S and A, and here we will write number of states, so we'll start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we will see accordingly. So from here we will see from 0 state A and B, where it is going at S3 and S4, I3 and I4, so we will write here S3 and S4, and at S where it is going at I1, so we will write here 1, and at A where it is going at I2, so we will write here 2. So now at first there is nothing, only accepted, because S is completed, so we will write here ACC. And at second state where it is going for A, at A it is going at I6, so we will write here, this is I6, so we will write here S6, and at B it is going at I7, so we will write here S7. And for A terminal which is going at I5, so we will write here 5. So from the third state we will see for A terminal which is going at the same, so we will write here S3 at third state, so we will write here S3. And for B terminal which is going at I4, so we will write here S4. And for a variable A where it is going at I8, so we will write here I8 at A. So next at fourth state I4 where it is going, it is given the reduction R3, because third is completed, transition is completed, so we will write here R3. And at fifth state, which one is completed? First transition is completed, so we will write here R1. But this is completed, the first transition also, so S regarding dollar, so we'll write here R1 at the dollar. Now at sixth state at where it is I6, here it is I6. So from I6 we can see simply for A it is going at I6 only, because it is coming for I6 only, so we'll write here S6. At sixth state at A we will write here S6, and for B where it is going at I7, so we will write here S7. S7, and for A where it is going at I9, so we will write here 9. We will write here 9. And for seventh, where is seventh state? Seventh state is here, where it is going. What is going on? R3 reduction is going on. Reduction related to dollar. So we will write R3 at the dollar place. And for I8, eighth transition R2, because it is giving us the second reduction. Eighth transition, this one. So it is also giving us the R2 reduction, but it is for the A and B. So we will write here in A and B. So we will write here R2. And for ninth state, and at ninth state I9, it is also giving R2, but at its dollar place, so we will write here R2 at dollar place. So this is the way we can make the CLR1 parsing table from this particular grammar. And we will see in the next lecture rest other things, and so we will meet on the next lecture.